What's up, y'all? Booty checking out of the Roan High Knob shelter. We are pretty high up right now, about 6,100 feet or so. It was a misty night and misty morning. All my stuff got moist, but it's all good. It's not too bad. It's looking to be a great day today. I need to hit up Greasy Creek Hostel in about 10 miles so I can see if they have Wi-Fi. Hopefully they're open at this time of year. They should be, I don't know. But I need to upload all my footage so I can keep recording. And yeah, looking to be a good day. So catch up with y'all later. Sometimes these side trails, Cloudland Trail, doesn't work out, but it's still kind of cool. Was it worth hiking a mile out of the way? Probably not, but here we are. Another nice warm sunny day out here, looks like. Coming down from Roan Mountain. It's a nice downhill section here. Trail legend Bob Peoples is known for maintaining this section, and it's really nice. After this downhill from Roan Mountain, it should be pretty level, so should be a nice enjoyable hike today. And yeah, keep on keeping on. Tired as hell right now, just at a 1,000-foot climb, but here's the view. Alright, got some videos uploaded. Didn't have too much time before it got dark for me to get everything in, but takes a while to upload videos. But met Cece at Greasy Creek Hostel. She's really nice. She quickly made myself at home, so she's a very accommodating person and very friendly. So we are going to make the 0.6 miles back to the trail, and it was quite a downhill, so it's going to be a fun hike back. I feel like it was more than 0.6, but whatever. Anyways, probably going to set up camp as soon as get back on trail, because probably about an hour left of sunlight. So all right. So against my better judgment, I'm going to do some sunset hiking. I had a Sprite and a Snickers ice cream bar, and Cece offered me some onion rings and sweet potato fries that were left over from the last hiker. So I got some fuel in me to keep me going for a little bit. I felt like pushing on, even though there's a campsite right after the Greasy Creek Gap. So I'm gonna trudge on for a few more miles and hopefully get there in time before the sun finally drops.